Hello, Eleni Shia here, welcome back. Today I'm going to continue the neutral base background. So I'm going to do another bloom with some white petals and some different colours. I love these Magic Fly iridescent colours, so let me show you my colours and let's go and make some art. Let me show you my colours. I have Pearl Strawberry Red by Arteza, Fluorescent Light Apricot, Fluorescent Mild Yellow, Orange Yellow, Soft Pink and Deco Art Gold. These are Magic Fly and they're just so yummy, these colours. Consistency is medium, so leaves a trail and disappears quickly. Okay, let's get started. So we'll start with my warm beige background. Gosh, I do love this design. Such beautiful lacing here. And the petals are just really soft and elegant. And I like the little stem. Just a slightly different bloom, but I absolutely love it. These colours, when dry, they just so iridescent. Really pretty. It's a bit of gold here, and the yellow orange, and that yellow fluorescent, and the fluorescent mild apricot here. Just beautiful. And you'll be able to see the soft pink when it dries. Really pretty. So I will show you the dry result. Here we are with the dried result, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Just love all the colours along here, and then where it just goes softer on the edges with the white. And then you've got all this sparkle and shimmer with the iridescence changing colours. You see it here, where it changes colours, and in the white as well. I hope you can see that as well as I can. It's just really, really pretty. And some of the details and the lacing, some pretty cells, and just the edges of the petals. Just so pretty. I love these. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a like. Consider subscribing, leave me some comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.